Hi guys, in this video we will learn about what is Embedchain and how you can install it. So Embedchain is an abstract of the entire process that we use it on a langchain. So what's the process? Loading, chunking, creating embedding, then calling, then creating a vector. Okay, so this whole process will be added to Embedchain using a simple using dot add to add data or load the data and dot query to ask your questions. Okay, so it's an abstract of whole this process. You don't need to worry about that whole process that we do on a langchain. Okay, so how you can, so let's understand how we can install it. Okay, how we can install it. So go to terminal as usual, cd learn embed chain. Okay, and poetry initiate to initiate the poetry. Poetry shall to activate the environment. And now poetry add embed chain. Okay, so it will install the embed chain and we'll see it here in a minute. Okay, now it's done and you can see it here. So this is the way how you can install it.